Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is science and nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What would you call a male wombat? Is it A, a boar, B, a billy, C, a jack, or D, a drone? The answer is C, a jack.
In the quirky world of wombats, a male is charmingly called a jack. These burrowing marsupials are known for their cube-shaped droppings, which help mark territory without rolling away. Jacks, along with female gills, have backward-facing pouches to prevent dirt from filling them while digging their extensive tunnel networks.
Question 2. By what process is rock worn down by the weather? Is it A, erosion, B, sublimation, C, sediment, or D, vegetation? The answer is A, erosion.
Erosion, nature's relentless sculptor, shapes landscapes by wearing down rocks through wind, water, and ice. Over millennia, it has carved out wonders like the Grand Canyon. Interestingly, erosion doesn't just destroy, it also creates fertile soil essential for agriculture and ecosystems to thrive. It's a powerful force of transformation.
Question 3. According to Boyle's law, what increases when a gas is compressed to half its size? Is it A, luminescence, B, volume, C, pressure, or D, temperature? The answer is C, pressure.
Boyle's law, formulated by Robert Boyle in the 17th century, reveals that when a gas is compressed to half its volume, its pressure doubles. This principle is crucial for scuba divers who must understand how pressure changes with depth to avoid decompression sickness, also known as the bends.
Question 4. What is a male wallaby known as? Is it A, a jack, B, a macho, C, a billy, or D, a rooster? The answer is A, a jack.
In the quirky world of marsupials, a male wallaby is charmingly called a jack. These agile creatures are known for their impressive leaps and bounds, often covering distances up to 25 feet in a single jump. Jacks play an essential role in maintaining the social structure within their groups, known as mobs.
Question 5. Which type of tree is known for its silvery white bark? Is it A, maple tree, B, oak tree, C, birch tree, or D, elm tree? The answer is C, birch tree.
The birch tree, with its striking silvery white bark, has been a symbol of renewal and purification in various cultures. In Celtic mythology, it was associated with new beginnings and protection. Interestingly, the bark is so durable that it's been used for centuries to craft canoes and even ancient scrolls.
Question 6. What was the first ever message sent via Morse code? Is it A, what hath God wrought, B, you smell, C, good morning victory, or D, testing, testing, testing? The answer is A, what hath God wrought?
On May 24, 1844, Samuel Morse sent the first official telegraph message from Washington, D.C., to Baltimore. The message, "What hath God wrought," was chosen by Annie Ellsworth and is a biblical phrase from Numbers 23:23. This historic transmission marked the dawn of long-distance communication.
Question 7. What is atmology the study of? Is it A, the nervous system, B, insects, C. Aqueous vapors. Or D. Weather. The answer is C. Aqueous vapors.
Atmology, the study of aqueous vapors, delves into the fascinating world of water in its gaseous state. This field explores phenomena like evaporation and condensation, crucial for understanding weather patterns and climate change. It's a reminder that even invisible forces shape our environment in profound ways.
Question 8. As what is infantile paralysis more commonly known? Is it A. Polio, B. Syphilis, C. Smallpox, or D. Mumps? The answer is A. Polio.
Polio, once known as infantile paralysis due to its impact on children, was a feared disease that could cause lifelong paralysis. In the 1950s, Jonas Salk developed the first effective vaccine, leading to widespread immunization and a dramatic decline in cases. Today, polio is nearly eradicated worldwide.
As we orbit out of today's quiz, remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is the true gravity. Until next time, keep your neurons firing. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Goodbye for now, until we meet again tomorrow.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.